Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Around the House. Today, we're going to go inside this locker that we purchased on an auction online. And we're going to see what's inside, and you're going to come along with us. So let's do it! So I'm going to point out the obvious things first. This is a nice leather recliner, and it's in really good shape. It doesn't look like there's any damage to it whatsoever. We also have a glass desk. It's kind of a corner desk, and it is glass, tempered glass. And none of the pieces are broken. It looks like they have all the parts inside this box, so we're good there. We have a couple of little racks over here and a miscellaneous box, a couple miscellaneous boxes, a nice office chair. Looks like it's got some dirt on it, but no damage. And let me take a look and see if it's one of the good ones. Oh, it is. I love these office chairs that lean back like this. As a matter of fact, this one's going home with me. Next is going to be this Vizio TV. I'll get the tape measure out in a minute and find out how big it is. To me, it looks like maybe 50-inch, but I'll get the measurements on it. If this works, this is going to be a great addition to our house. And then over here is that's a memory foam bed with the metal frame underneath. We got another little shelving unit here. Got an American flag picture. That is really nice. That is really nice. And then we've got some more miscellaneous boxes. So, just to let you know what we're going to do with this, most of this stuff we probably won't sell. We have a place for this in one of our rental houses. We have a place for that in one of the rental houses. Like I said, that office chair is going to go with us. The TV is probably going to either go to our house or go into one of the rental houses. But I'm going to go ahead and give you a price. We paid $170, that's with tax, for this storage unit. We paid another $24 just to the website that we purchased it from. I'm not going to give you any details on that website because the website was pretty bad, but this storage facility is not bad at all. This is a great storage facility, and they have nothing to do with the website that I purchased it from other than they advertise there. So now that we've looked at the obvious items, there are 6 boxes in this storage unit, and I'm going to start out with one in particular that is marked Xbox Plus C. I am very interested to know what is in that box, so let's take a look. A nice little briefcase. Man, I could probably get 20 bucks for that. That's brand new. And unfortunately, there is not an Xbox in here. It is just shoes. Alright, let's take a look at box number 2. And it's junk. We have some clothes and a blanket and some more clothes. More clothes, pillow, clothes. Let's see, we have a blow dryer, an alarm clock, a sonic bomb alarm clock. I think I need that. This is a super shaker bed vibrator. Okay, moving on. Got some shampoo, Tresemme. And some beard oil. Anybody need some beard oil? Some more beard oil. If anybody out there needs some beard oil, I've got some. And a little lampshade. And an iron. Actually in really good shape. Oh, and what do we have here? This is Introduction to Java Programming. Okay, still in the bubble wrap, and some printer paper. Okay, so this box is junk too. All right, box number 4. Please be something good. Yeah, a Furby for the shower. Something to hang up in the shower on the shower head for your stuff. That's junk. We got a little backpack. Has some calculators in it. Might be able to sell those. Other than that, nothing there. Got pillows, sheets, and junk. Okay, next box. Junk. All right, more clothes. Clothes. Scratched up pan. Clothes. Oh, this is a coffee pot. That might come in handy. A little chopping board. A couple wall clocks in here. Got a license plate from New York that says The Boss. And some hangers. Another junk box. So we have a nice metal baseball bat. And a nice sword. And a machete. We can definitely use that out in the forest. Last box. Okay, we have a couple of the pole lamps that are the tall stand-up lamps. We have a printer down in here and a small lamp here. That's probably where that lampshade is for. So this box isn't too bad. Now we got this little shelving unit, and it's clear, so I'm not going to open this up, but whoever's it is, they liked their vape. They have some vape equipment in here. They have some school supplies in this top one and some cologne down in the bottom one. Yeah, this could be useful, definitely. And last but not least, we have a little table over here. Looks like a portable. That's exactly what it is. Now let's take a look at how we did. The new retail for contents was $1,961.24. We purchased the locker for $170, and we sold the bed and desk for $170, which means that we made $0, which is exactly what we were trying to do. We just wanted to make enough to cover the storage unit itself, and we got to keep the rest. Man, cleaning out one of these storage units is a lot of work.